We're back in California in a beautiful home we've transformed earlier this year. Follow along as we reveal freshly designed spaces in our Calabasas remodel project. The outdoor spaces are some of my favorites in this entire project, so I'm excited to dive in, and we will start with the exterior. When our clients bought the home, they knew it needed a fresh coat of paint, and so they enlisted us to help them decide the perfect color. When driving around the neighborhood, we realized that actually most of the homes were kind of in the green, brown, tan family, and a white house, although you know I love them, wasn't very common. So we decided that was the way to go to match what was going on in the interior of the home as well. Besides the paint color on the exterior, we also changed out the lights for a much more updated look. And then they have these stairs going up to the casita bedroom, and we decided to paint those a contrasting color in a charcoal gray. There are a few lights that set on top of low columns. Instead of replacing those with more lights, we did planters, and so our client can fill those with beautiful flowers that greet you when you walk in. Then, once we made all of those decisions, it was time to bring the outdoor spaces to life with furniture. In this home, you actually walk through the courtyard before getting to their front door, so it's important to make this space very welcoming. So we have the warm wood against the painted white exterior, and then the casita lounge and the office open into this courtyard. So we take you through the house to the backyard. Right off of that great formal living and dining room is this seating area next to the pool. We've got this beautiful fireplace, and there was enough space to divide it into two areas. So we did a seating and then an eating area. Because we have this long rectangular table inside, we decided to switch it up with a round one. And I think my favorite thing about this little space is the woven dining chairs. The seating area is really beautiful because I think all of our furniture selections are very unique. And instead of just doing a sofa and two chairs, we did a sofa, a chair, and then this really great hanging chair in the corner. We anchored the seating space with a great indoor-outdoor rug from McGee & Co., and then broke up the wood tones with a really cool concrete table. I'm sure you may remember our clients' two cute kids' bedrooms and their playroom. They're a young family, and I think that this casual space with a swing and a pool is just perfect for their lifestyle. The space is so happy, and I could easily spend hours out there. Thanks for watching. This is the last in the Calabasas home tour that we have for you. So if you haven't seen the other videos, go check them out, and don't forget to subscribe.